Hello. Okinawa Island has its own banana. Banana Musa leucoensis. Leucoensis is a specific epithet related with the Ryukyu archipelago, because in Japanese, as you know, R and L are not different. So Musa leucoensis today on November 24th is flowering. So I choose that plant because it shows the nice succession of banana flowers. It is not cultivated for fruits. So Musa leucoensis are mostly used for fiber. Fiber contained in leaves and stems of this plant. So fruits are generally more or less useless, but they are present and they are typical banana fruits. So first of all, banana stem is typically empty. It has a hole inside, but at time, from that hole, from the rhizome, which is very much down, the stem, the real stem, start to grow, and that will grow all the way through until it will end up with inflorescence. So inflorescence of banana is actually the only real stem of that plant. That structure most of the time are just united bases of leaves. Okay, inflorescence went through and it start to produce clusters of flowers. Clusters of flowers are surrounded with bracts. These bracts will attract pollinators, and when they're done, they will simply fall down from the plant. So I'm staying in a place where bracts and also staminate flowers are laid. Flowers, as I just told, are split in pistillate, female, and staminate, male flowers. So pistillate flowers have inferior ovary, and they, after pollination, will form the very well-known banana. So banana of different kinds, of course, have multiple seeds, but we used to have seedless banana because normally cultivated banana is triploid, and triploid plants don't have typical meiosis and therefore will not produce any seeds. So banana seeds are distributed with birds, but this is a different story. These were female flowers. And towards the end of inflorescence, there are male flowers. So male flowers consist of non-functional pistil, multiple stamens, and perianths. Banana is one of the most basal member of ginger order or ginger group of families. And that group of families is famous because stamens are reduced. Stamens are turning into staminodes until in such genera as Canna, only half a stamen is left. Banana starts this row of reduction, so it has 5 stamens. Only one stamen is converted into staminodes. That staminode is quite large and visible. Thus, perianth of banana is fully united in one side structure which contains teeth related with members of the perianths. So there will be 6 teeth because initially it was 6 perianth members, the typical number of perianth members for almost all monocots. So banana has modified flower which start the row of reduction in a ginger family group. And finally, we see bananas on the bottom of long, like tail-like inflorescence, which was ended with male flowers, which finally went down, and only female flowers with ripening bananas are left. So this is how Musa leucoensis, textile banana, but still banana, flowers on Okinawa Island on November 24. Thank you.